Okay, so Wowbii boards are the latest cutting-edge interactive boards. So the teacher can stand up and start a lesson that involves the technology, and the students are drawn into the lesson. And so it's a touch screen type of scenario that's fully loaded already with a lot of really good classroom lessons and resources. And so it becomes a teacher's best friend. It also becomes an assistant to the students who are learning. So the students learn to use the board and the teacher learns to use the board, and it improves learning and teaching. Okay, so the thing is, it helps everyone. It helps the environment to become a true learning community. And so, in a learning community, in a modern, like 21st century, modern learning world, the students are a partner in the learning. And so, it's no longer like the teacher's the teacher and the students are the students. The students actually can come up and touch the board and bring additional resources into the lesson that's being delivered. And so it really creates a true learning community where the teacher and the students are all actively involved in the learning process. Yeah. So here at Greensprings, we actually put these boards at the secondary level, the primary level, and in random classrooms because it cuts across all content areas. Okay, so like in math is built on a lot of mathematical equations and models. A lot of the models and everything are already into the board's infrastructure. So a math teacher who wants to demonstrate like three-dimensional shapes for geometry and the related formulas, how to calculate volume and area, can bring that whole thing to life by touching the board and bringing those resources in. Because students are also, they're visual learners, some are like auditorial learners. So this allows each learner to learn in their own way. So one of the things we know is that students are technology driven. They're using technology at home. They have gadgets in their home. They have computers at home. This allows them to be themselves, actually. They're already technical people. And so they're no longer listening to just a teacher. They can see immediately what the teacher is talking about, and they can use the technology to help them communicate with the teacher, and the teacher's using the technology to help create communication for everybody. So the students are interacting with the teacher, with each other, and everyone's interacting with the technology. Basically, the environment that we live in today is an environment that's point and click and drag. And so most good technology now, you really don't need someone to come in and teach anyone how to use it. You have to have teachers who are curious. You have to have teachers who are not afraid of technology. Thankfully, here at Greensprings, we have teachers who are techno-savvy. And so we have 22 new boards that were just introduced. They were placed in rooms, and the teachers are already using them. So the more they use it, the more they will learn. But the good thing is that they're learning with the students. So the students are seeing that teachers are lifelong learners, and so that expectation of a partnership with the students is naturally there in that room. And it's enhanced simply by introducing new technology.